Most motorcycle batteries only last a few years, but proper care can multiply their lifespan. In fact, the average motorcycle battery lasts around 2 to 5 years. Yet some riders have achieved 8 or more years of service from one battery through meticulous maintenance. It's not widely advertised, but with proper upkeep you can surpass those averages. By following these 9 expert tips, you can keep any battery, whether it's a traditional lead-acid, a maintenance-free AGM, or a modern lithium unit, performing reliably for up to a decade. Tip 1. Use a smart charger. Using a smart charger or battery maintainer is one of the simplest ways to dramatically extend a battery's life. Smart chargers automatically adjust their output and switch to a maintenance mode to avoid overcharging. This keeps the battery topped up without stress. Many smart chargers also include a slow trickle or pulsing desulfation mode to rejuvenate the battery's plates. Whenever your motorcycle sits for more than a couple of weeks, connect a quality smart charger. By keeping the battery on a maintainer during long storage, you ensure it stays fully charged and prevents the sulfation that occurs when a battery sits half-discharged. Tip 2. Avoid deep discharges. Never let your motorcycle battery run completely flat. Deep discharging puts heavy strain on any battery and will shorten its lifespan. In lead-acid batteries, frequent deep discharge causes lead sulfate crystals to build up on the plates, permanently reducing capacity. Lithium batteries can also be permanently damaged if allowed to drop too low. To avoid this, turn off your lights and ignition when the engine isn't running, and try not to leave accessories plugged in when the bike is parked. If your bike will sit idle, either disconnect the negative cable or use a battery tender to prevent slow, parasitic drains from electronics. The key is to recharge your battery promptly after any heavy discharge. For instance, if your bike struggled to start or sat unused for weeks, charge it fully as soon as possible instead of leaving it half depleted. Tip 3. Clean and tighten connections. Corroded or loose terminals make your battery work harder and can lead to starting problems or charging issues. Every few months, inspect your battery terminals and cables. If you see any white, blue, or greenish crust, clean it off thoroughly. You can remove the connectors and scrub the terminals with a wire brush or an old toothbrush and a baking soda solution. Once the metal is shiny and clean, then wipe it dry and reconnect the terminals securely. Finally, apply a thin coat of dielectric grease on the terminals to protect against future corrosion. This simple DIY cleaning ensures a low-resistance connection so your starter and charging system can work efficiently. Tip 4. Secure the battery to reduce vibration. Motorcycles vibrate a lot, and those vibrations can physically damage a battery over time if it's not secured. Lead-acid batteries have internal plates that can shed material or crack from constant vibration. To prevent this, make sure your battery is firmly mounted in its tray or compartment. Check the hold-down straps or brackets for tightness, and add a piece of foam or rubber padding around the battery if needed to minimize movement. Vibration-related stress is less of an issue for AGM or lithium batteries, but all battery types benefit from being kept steady. A securely fastened battery will avoid internal damage and also keep the terminals from loosening due to jostling, ensuring consistent performance. Tip 5. Check electrolyte and battery condition. Battery maintenance isn't completely hands-off, especially for traditional flooded batteries. If your motorcycle uses a conventional lead-acid battery with removable caps, check the electrolyte level periodically. The fluid should cover the top of the internal plates. If it's low, top it up with distilled water to the proper level. Never use tap water, which can introduce minerals and harm the battery. Always perform this check with the engine off, and wear gloves and eye protection when handling battery acid. Sealed batteries like AGM or gel are maintenance-free, so you won't be topping up fluid, but you should still inspect the battery's condition. Look for any bulging, cracks, or leaks in the case, and ensure the vent tube isn't kinked or blocked. Any sign of bulging or leakage is a warning that the battery is failing and should be replaced. Keeping the electrolyte level correct prevents internal damage and significantly extends service life. Tip 6. Test the charging system. Your battery's longevity depends on your motorcycle's charging system just as much as on the battery itself. An unhealthy stator or regulator rectifier can overcharge or undercharge the battery, leading to premature failure. To check this, use a simple voltmeter or multimeter. With the bike off, a healthy 12V battery reads about 12.6 to 12.8 volts. Start the engine and rev to the 3000 RPM. The voltage should rise to roughly 13 or 14.5V. If you see less than about 13V at high idle, the alternator isn't charging enough. If it's above 14.8V, the regulator may be overcharging. Either condition will shorten the battery's life, so fix any charging system issues promptly. Performing this quick test a couple of times a year can save you from getting stranded with a dead battery and will ensure your battery always operates under optimal charge conditions. Tip 7. Store in optimal conditions. If your motorcycle will sit unused for an extended period, prepare the battery for storage. Ideally, remove the battery from the bike and keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct heat or freezing temperatures, and set it on a non-conductive surface to avoid any accidental discharge. A storage temperature around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius is often cited as ideal to minimize self-discharge. Before storage, fully charge the battery and, if possible, leave it on a smart maintainer. If you don't have a maintainer, recharge the battery for a few hours once a month to keep it healthy. If you cannot remove the battery, at least disconnect the negative cable to eliminate parasitic drains from the motorcycle's clock or security system. Proper off-season storage prevents the battery from going dead or sulfating while it sits, which means it will be healthy and ready to go when you bring the bike out of storage. Tip 8. Avoid extreme temperatures. Both extremely hot and extremely cold conditions are enemies of battery longevity. Heat accelerates the chemical reactions inside a battery and can cause the electrolyte to evaporate faster, drastically shortening its lifespan. Whenever possible, park your motorcycle in the shade or garage to keep the battery from baking under a hot sun. On the other end, freezing cold can reduce a battery's effective capacity and even freeze the electrolyte in a discharged lead-acid battery, cracking the cells. If you live in a cold climate, consider using a battery warming blanket or bring the battery indoors overnight during deep freezes. Lithium batteries in particular should not be charged below freezing, so if you use one in winter, let it warm up indoors before charging or starting. In very humid conditions, check the terminals more often as moisture can accelerate corrosion. Keeping your battery away from extreme heat, severe cold, and excess moisture will help it last as long as possible. Tip 9. Manage your electrical load and riding habits. How you use your motorcycle's electrical system has a direct impact on battery life. Adding multiple electrical accessories like high-power headlights, heated grips, or extra fog lights can draw more current than the alternator can supply, especially at low RPM, causing the battery to drain even while you ride. Be mindful of the total load on your charging system. If you add accessories, consider upgrading your bike's stator or using LED lights that consume less power. Your riding pattern also matters. Frequent short trips or city rides where the engine never runs long enough to fully recharge the battery will gradually leave it undercharged. Over time, this keeps the battery in a chronically low state, leading to sulfation and capacity loss. To counteract this, try to take your bike on a longer ride periodically so the battery gets a full charging cycle. Or use a charger at home periodically if you mostly do short rides. Finally, avoid cranking the starter motor for long periods if the engine won't start. This can overheat and severely drain the battery. Give the battery a break between start attempts. You can still use your motorcycle's accessories, just be responsible so you're not constantly straining the battery. Practicing these habits keeps your battery from being overworked and can add years to its service life, making a decade-long lifespan more achievable.